Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Active Trader Pro for day trading. First, download and install the platform on your computer. Once installed, log in with your Fidelity account. Immediately, customize your trading layout to suit your preferences, focusing on efficiency. Verify that real-time market data is active, which is crucial for making informed, timely trading decisions throughout the day. Next, master the advanced charting tools. You can select from various chart types, such as candlesticks, to visualize price action. Apply technical indicators like the 50-period moving average to gauge market momentum. Draw trend lines and pinpoint key support and resistance levels. Don't forget to set up price alerts, ensuring you are notified when a stock reaches your target entry or exit points. Efficient order execution is paramount for day trading. Familiarize yourself with order types, like limit orders for precise entry and stop orders for risk control. Leverage hotkeys for lightning-fast order placement and cancellation, saving valuable seconds. Continuously monitor your open positions and real-time profit or loss. Always implement robust risk management, perhaps risking no more than 1% of your capital per trade. Finally, personalize your Active Trader Pro workspace. Create and save multiple custom layouts tailored to different trading strategies or market conditions. Access integrated news feeds and research tools directly within the platform to stay informed. Use the Trade Armor feature to plan your trades with defined profit targets and stop-loss levels. Regularly review your trading performance history to identify strengths and areas for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.